Hi, this is Amber with today's Take a Breather Tech Minute, and we're going to talk about using audio when you're doing a Google Meet and the proper way to do that. The best way to do that is not when your audio is coming through your microphone, but when the audio is actually streaming. So, for example, if you wanted to share a YouTube video with your students while you were in a Google Meet, instead of having them to watch it ahead of time or hear the audio through your microphone, there's a better way to stream that. So we're going to talk about that. So I'm in a sample meet here, and what you'll notice is that right now I'm muted. So the best thing to do is mute your microphone before you hit play on your video. To present, you're going to want to go to Present Now, and you'll notice the best option for video is a Chrome tab. So when I choose that, you'll notice I have this long list of my Chrome tabs that are available. But what you'll look for is if it's a YouTube video, you'll see the little YouTube icon. And you'll also see some information about it. So if it's not YouTube, you'll be able to choose your tab. You choose your tab and click Share. And what you'll notice is as soon as I'm sharing, I get this little bar across the top that gives me my stop option. The people who are seeing it are not seeing that bar. So you'll notice over here you don't see the blue bar. This is what the participants are seeing. They're not seeing the blue bar. They're only seeing what's surrounded in blue. So another thing I want you to notice on my screen here is that the tab that I'm sharing has this little blue screen. That's indicative that that is the tab that's being shared. So if I go off that tab, it's still sharing this tab. So you'll want to make sure that you pay attention to the tab that has the blue screen on it. So when I'm ready to share the video, again, I'm going to make sure my microphone is muted. So the only thing they're going to hear as soon as I hit play is they're going to have this audio streaming along with the video. So I'm going to click play, and I can even increase my screen, and you'll notice it doesn't go full screen, it stays in that tab. So that is a great way to make sure that your audio is streaming and they can better see the video. So what you'll want to do at this point when your video is over, then you can stop sharing that tab, and then you can unmute yourself so that you can begin talking again to your class. I hope this has been helpful for you, and I hope that you remember today to take a breather. Have a great day.